So we start by loosening this one. I use a plier, just turn it anti-clockwise, like so, and pull out. Then we use a Torx, and it's T27 Torx to loosen this one. Let's see if it's stuck. Yes. All right. So I just loosen that up. So I put it in my pocket so I don't lose that. And that's one. And now the tricky part here is to remove the light. You need to wiggle it out. There's this edge here that is quite annoying, but just wiggle it out. And there we go. So okay, you can do two ways. I used to disconnect the connector. So from this side you can lose this connector, remove that one, and it's easier to work with. Then remove the lid. I use the pliers because this one is the lamp that we want to change. So it's quite difficult to remove that one, but just it's not stuck by any screws or something. Just pull it out downwards. Let's see. Okay. If we can. Okay. Okay, there we go. So when I have pulled out the holder, I try to move it out. It's not a lot of space in here, but you need to just wiggle it out. Okay, there we go. So remove the old one and you put the new one in. So let's see. Okay, place the other one inside. Sometimes you need to just guess the orientation of the connectors, and if it's not the right one, you just need to remove it and do it all over again. But again, insert the lamp and the holder and just push it in. There's no screws, nothing, just push it in. All right, so don't forget the lid. And there's a holder here, so you place it on that little edge here till it pops. So pop it in, and so it made a clicking sound. All right, so just place the lamp into the car and try it with the connector. If everything is fine, it should light. It should show the lights, and make the process again, connecting it. And this is the hardest part, just to insert the whole light into the frame. So let's see. Okay. Okay, so there we go. So don't forget your pin. Just twist it with a plier, so like that. You can feel it pop in. Then remember your screw, and use your T27 torque, and just screw it in. Don't over tight the screw, just make it sit, because otherwise you can damage the with bolts inside. And there you go. So now the light is working.